guys, thank you so much for watching Minutes of Positivity. I'm Anupriya. Welcome to the show, Upbeat the Conversation with Anupriya. So, today I have Moksha with me. She's a certified digital marketer and a content strategist. Today, in this special episode, we spoke about self talk, why it is important, why we should talk to ourselves, what is self talk, and a lot more things. This episode is one of my favorite because it is full of positivity and it is very inspirational. So, enjoy yourselves. Hi, Moksha. How are you?
Hi Anupriya, I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing all well. How was the day?
It was actually really great. I went on a nice, it's one of my favorite places. It's nearby. So I went there, I had some food alone, and I love doing that once a while. So yeah. And this time I did like after a year or so because of COVID and everything. So it was great. Actually great. You asked me on the right day.
Okay. So, Moksha, firstly, your page out of the pop is just amazing. You do
Thank you.
everything by your own. So that is the most amazing and precious thing which I have heard. Matlab, sab cheeze, you're making the graphics also, you're making the editings also, you're making the strategies also, you're doing everything by your own, and it looks so perfect. And your DP. That is I think वो एकदम perfectly link हो रही है उसके साथ में. And I was like, wow, यार, so cute, वो एकदम minion वाली theme आ रही, just cute.
Oh, I okay. There are so many things I need to clarify here. First thing, thank you so much for appreciating my page. And I honestly would not recommend you to do everything by your own. At
I
least
know.
up till a point, ठीक है. Because I can see I completely lack consistency. And
Hmm.
कभी कभार I go without posting for days, for weeks, and then अचानक से I'll be like, नहीं नहीं, अब post करना है. Then suddenly I'll post 3 days in a row. So that's really not a good scene. But yeah, I'm not driven by numbers usually. So it's like जब भी thought आया, so I'll put it up. I'm not taking so much of load on it. Secondly, thank you for the DP also. So actually, 2 years, I think 2018 or 19, 2019, I guess, I had to make a website for my college project, digital
Hmm.
marketing project.
Hmm.
So वहाँ पे I had thought, I want my website to represent me, who I am, and all my expressions and all my faces and all my madness,
Yeah.
all of that.
Yeah.
So I got a photo shoot done for that website, and those pictures I'm still using.
But that is the most cutest picture I have ever seen, and it's very innovative. Firstly, because when I
Thank
started
you.
this podcast and up now, I was freaked out. Ki, how to select the profile picture, how to select the name, how to go on, and I had so many questions, and that thing I was doing for very first time, and I was like. Oh my god, यार इतना चीजें लगती है to be a creator. Hats off.
Because it's like you have to decide whether how much of you want to show yourself and how much like it becomes it's like a very thing where you get confused ki what will work for the audience and is it like what you like, will it work for the audience also? And that was a huge confusion for me in the start because things I was posting was getting good, numbers and everything in the start, but then I was not too much in touch with that content. I was like, let it be, whatever the audience wants to think, let them think. I'll put up my stuff and maybe the right kind of people will like that content, and that will be a true audience generation, because then those people with full faith will follow you, will like your content because it is actually you. That's why I think so. Always be yourself. Only then will you be able to put out content which will be actually relatable.
Yeah, and most importantly, you have to be very confident. Whatever you're posting, I think, अगर आप ही confident नहीं हो, so how the people are going to be confident कि हाँ, she have put the right thing or not.
I agree. And you have to be confident, and you also have to be uh, confident enough, sorry, courageous enough कि चलो अगर ये काम नहीं किया post, or this
तो
does not
दूसरा
work, this
करेगा,
piece
yeah.
of content does not work, we will move on to the next content. It's
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think that, especially that with the content creation and posting on social media, that is, I think, the biggest challenge, which I think everyone faces. All creators, all those who rely on social media content have this problem. Ki yaar, they are not getting numbers. And
Mm-hmm.
plus, right now, when the scene of Instagram is so saturated, there are n number of pages putting out n number of content. There's so much of content overload. Sometimes you are not seen,
Hmm.
but I again feel there's enough for everyone. I mean, इतने सारे लोग हैं वहां पे, तो तुम्हारे टाइप के भी काफी लोग होंगे. Maybe you just need some time to connect with those audience, some strategies in place, maybe some hashtags.
And I think if something is meant to happen, it will eventually happen. But yes, things take time, and let them evolve. Let them go with the flow. Process को trust करो. Whatever you're doing, just do it. होना होगा तो
Agree.
वो already हो जाएगा.
This is one of my favorite statements. Whatever happen will happen. तुम कुछ
Exactly.
भी
Yeah.
करो, it is not going to either stop it from happening, or
Hmm.
you cannot make it happen sooner. You just have to be patient and consistent. These are two things you need to do, and rest everything will be taken care of.
Yes.
Because
True.
the problem is, हम हमारे दिमाग में ऐसे 10 scenarios बना लेते हैं कि ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, and we get so emotionally attached to those scenarios in our head. And जो होता है ना, it is not even half of that. Even if it is scary, like we think, अरे यार, अगर इसका ऐसा हुआ तो ऐसा हुआ तो वैसा हुआ तो, but उसमें से कुछ होता ही नहीं है. We
Hmm.
are so into our
Agreed.
own head that we lose touch with our reality. We
Agreed.
have more
Agreed.
emotional bonding. I think, personally think so, and we
Hmm.
have more emotional touch with the thoughts in our head than the reality, because we are so into our own heads about everything that हम present में जी ही नहीं रहे. Because अगर तुम present में जीते हो, then you are not even worried about the future, because you know कि every day somehow things do come to you if you are, in the present. When you are in the present, you will actually automatically start observing things, you start seeing things, and अपना तुम्हारा आगे का future भी sort हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
जब तक तुम
Hmm.
अपने
Hmm.
दिमाग में जी रहे हो, you cannot expect things to work out smoothly, because तुमने पहले ही सोच लिया, अरे ये तो होने ही नहीं वाला, अरे ये तो ऐसे ही होगा. So it will obviously mess
Uh,
up.
so basically, I think the thoughts play a major role in our life, and the kind of people you surround yourself with. These two,
Definitely.
the two things I think are the most important and very crucial in our life. मतलब the सोच तो वैसा ही बन जाता है इंसान और ये चीज तो है. If you'll think of the positive thing, you'll get the positive stuff only. But if you'll keep on thinking the negative, you'll get all of the negativity. मतलब suddenly ऐसे
Definitely.
होता है like yeah.
our,
So
our thoughts play a major role. Agreed.
exactly.
And the people in our life are from our thoughts. So
Somehow
I've
yeah.
read it somewhere in a book that every person in your life is a reflection of your thought and what they are here to teach you. So even if people you hate are actually the qualities, like this is a actual statement I read in a book. I think it's called, the book's name was, oh shit, I forgot that book name. Synchro Destiny. Yeah, the book's name was Synchro Destiny. In
Okay.
it, the author says that when you dislike someone or when you
Hmm.
hate someone,
Hmm.
it is the qualities you hate in them, the specific
Hmm.
qualities,
Hmm.
and those are the qualities within you that you're trying to suppress, because you've not accepted it. So when they show those qualities, you are not ready to see it, and hence you dislike them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Agreed. Yeah.
So it's like, even the people in our life, I think everything in our life is a mirror of our thoughts itself.
Yeah, it's just reflection, what you think, what you surround yourself with, and what the kind of person you are. Because as
What
I,
kind of vibrations you put out, what
yeah,
kind of
yeah, yeah,
frequencies you put out,
yeah,
all of
yeah.
that really affects your entire
Oh my God, I can, just talk to you for hours and hours and hours,
life.
and the discussion is
I love
not
talking
gonna
on
end.
these topics. I can just start and go on and on and on. I love quantum. I've recently discovered quantum physics ka thoda bahut theories, like
Mm-hmm.
starting, and I'm loving it. It's amazing. I think quantum physics is the connection between religion and, spirituality. I won't call it religion, spirituality and science. I think quantum physics is the one thing that binds both of them.
Yeah, so once we had a talk over a call and then you told me कि start reading the quantum physics and तब तो मैं ऐसी थी कि okay I'll definitely do that but पता नहीं कहाँ इतना I was engaged with so much of my work and I was like कि okay I need to learn this also so I'm definitely going to read about the quantum physics. So
Yes.
my first question to you is
Mm.
what made you to start your own page? Like you're a very creative person. I have
Thank you
seen
so
you, I
much.
have talked to you, so I know the thoughts. You are such a positive and such a वो vibes आ जाती है तुमसे बात करके कि हाँ
Honestly, even I
connection
have
हो
the
रहा है.
same. I get the same vibes from you. I get really positive and happy-go-lucky kind of vibes from you, and it's fun to talk to you.
Yeah, exactly.
That was the first impression when you called me for the first time. I was like, "Arey yaar, this bandi is so must. एकदम chill." और like अच्छी बनेगी.
So what made you to start your own page?
I I started my page because I genuinely believe when you believe in something, I think it needs to reach out to people. I believe a lot in positivity. I have a lot of gyan, I would say. I don't know if that's the right term, but yeah, I've learned a few things in life through reading books, through observing people, through my own
Hmm.
experiences, many ways. And I
Hmm.
think people need to get to know that
Hmm.
because we usually, currently, especially, we're living in such a negative environment
Hmm.
and every minor bit of that positivity helps. I'll tell you a simple example.
Hmm.
When you see memes, there are so many self-depreciating memes
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
which are very funny.
yeah.
Okay, like example, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है and all of that. It वो जो जिस उसमें डाले जाते हैं, it sounds very funny,
Hmm.
but you don't realize how much of impact it actually has on your brain. And now it's become like a joke and a reality कि हाँ पैसे ही नहीं है मेरे पास, and it's become like a joke of that, or your mental health is in shambles. It's become like a joke out of that. उसके ऊपर memes बनते हैं and it's not wrong. I understand. It's what it's like a kind of humor. I agree. Negative self talk and
हाँ.
I think every bit of positivity that you take in will lead you to a better life for your own self. Like, we don't know ourselves even 1%. We don't know our brain even 1%. And I think
I
people
think,
really
yeah.
need to discover their own magic. And everybody has magic. Everybody has
Um,
that capacity. There's just a lot of stuff. There's a lot of issues. There's a lot of comments from other people that they believe. A lot of false beliefs that they build themselves. I think once you see through it, you really can see how amazing life is, because life is wonderful. I know I am coming off as like over, अरे यार ये इतनी क्यों positive है, but I think life is really wonderful.
yeah, it
And
is,
when
yeah.
you love life, you take each day as a ride. I think that's the time you enjoy it the most.
And the time when you start gratitude, when you practice gratitude, क्योंकि अक्सर जितने भी हमारे आसपास के लोग हैं, जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो भी रिलेटिव्स भी हैं, कोई खुशी नहीं है यार. मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ तुम जिंदा हो, यू आर गेटिंग अप, यू आर डूइंग
Exactly.
सो मच इन योर डे. तुम्हें भगवान ने इस मुकाम बनाया है कि तुम जिंदा हो रहे हो, वापस अगले दिन उठ रहे हो, अपनी पसंद का खाना खा रहे हो, अपनी पसंद का घूम रहे हो, अपनी पसंद का पहन रहे हो. क्यों ना उस छोटे छोटे लम्हों के लिए हम शुक्रगुजार हो. सो
I agree.
मतलब ओ माय गॉड, ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा मैंने देख लिया. इनफैक्ट मैं भी ऐसी हुआ करती थी किसी जमाने में. um,
But gratitude really changes. I agree. Once you start being grateful for what you have, you realize, okay, wait, this is enough right now. And
enough and you
that
feel
is the point.
fulfilled.
Yeah, that is the point when you asked me about, future ka. You just asked me some question in the start about the future.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
जब तुम प्रेजेंट में अगर ग्रेटफुल होते हो ना, तो तुम उसके बारे में आगे सोचोगे ही नहीं, बिकॉज तुम्हें पता है कि मतलब होगा ही, ठीक ही हो जाएगा.
हाँ
I think
मतलब
gratitude is really important for every little thing that you have in life. Until you are not grateful and until you don't see it, तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कुछ है ही नहीं. इतना समय तो तुम देखो तो सही. Are you ready to see it? I agree कि लाइफ में सब कुछ परफेक्ट नहीं हो सकता है, and maybe some people have it less, or maybe some people have it even more lesser than that. But again, I feel that there is always a small thing that, and the way you look at things, it really affects. Gratitude is like one of the most, that is actually one of the first practices that I started, and I still continue it. Like every morning, the first thing that I do is I have like अभी तो mental list हो गया चीजों का. So every morning, the first thing before I open my eyes, I actually have these things that I feel gratitude for all of those things, and then I
Even
will,
I do the
and
same.
then I actually open the eyes and wake up. Now it's become like a thing. अभी मुझे सोचना भी नहीं पता कि अरे अभी तक I have not done this. It's like a habit now.
Routine habit, you are not knowing
हाँ
it but you're just doing it, क्योंकि
हाँ
जब
वो
हम घर
हो
से बाहर
जाता है.
निकलते हैं तो हम ऐसे भगवान के ढोक दे के निकलते हैं, so it's in
आजकल
a
मास्क
habit.
पहनते हैं.
Oh my god, this is so tragic. मतलब मैं तो भूल जाती हूँ पहनना ही, मैं बाहर चली जाती हूँ ऐसे बिना मास्क के.
अब तो अनसेड हैबिट हो गया भाई मास्क पहनना है.
Okay. So my next question to you is, what is the origin and roots of self-talk? Like, how would you define to a person who doesn't do any self-talk or who is just not aware of it? Like, what is it in
Uh,
your terms?
for me, self-talk is, I think all of us have a self-talk because, again, I said we are constantly in our own heads. We are constantly chattering to our own selves.
Hmm.
I think what we need right now is conscious self-talk,
Hmm. Hmm.
wherein you know what you're telling yourself.
Hmm.
Because whenever you repeat something to your own self,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
actually affirm that and you see it in your reality.
Yeah. Yeah.
So again, those memes again play work. If you self-talk, yeah, this is so funny, this is so funny, this is so funny, I don't have money, or I'm not keeping well, and this is so funny. It actually, you don't know how, but you will manifest it in your reality. Because our mind, as smart as it is also very dumb. It will do whatever you tell it to do.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I think self-talk, you need to really start observing your. I think I have laid down a few steps
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
self-talk, how
Hmm.
to change the self-talk. The very first thing is observe. You need to observe what you're talking to yourself.
Yeah.
And for that can be done either by meditation, and meditation is a wonderful practice. Even if you have 10 minutes during the day, sit with yourself and just go through your, I'm not asking you to get involved in your thoughts, but let them play,
Aware.
like a
Yeah. Yeah.
slider. Yeah, get aware of what is
Get
going on
aware
in your.
of everything. Yeah. Yeah.
Second thing is write down your thoughts either in a diary or on your phone. I have a WhatsApp chat with myself where I am the only person in the group. So it's really important to inculcate these small habits कि तुम लिखते जाओ कि no, हम पूरा दिन तो अभी बैठ के लिख नहीं सकते, but
Obviously,
sometimes
yeah. But sometimes you just feel कि you need to vent out your things. So you do it in a
exactly,
very
you
different
need to
different
write
manner.
down what you
Yeah.
are thinking.
Yeah.
If you're constantly overthinking about something, write that down, and ultimately you will say, oh wait, I am overthinking, this is not how it is, I'm just
Yeah.
making up things. And when you write it down, now you will find your own solution also. Then you
Yeah.
don't have
Yeah.
to think, okay, that way. That is one thing. First thing is observe your thoughts. Second thing is stop. Sorry, catch yourself. So during the day when you're just doing some mundane task and thoughts go in your head, now there are some mundane tasks जो हम रोज करते हैं और तब
Hmm.
हमारा सेल्फ टॉक बहुत ज्यादा होता है
Hmm. Hmm.
बिकॉज तुम टास्क पे ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हो, तुम्हें तो रोज करना, मतलब एग्जाम्पल खाना खा रहे हो तुम, तो
Hmm.
तुम रोज वही करते हो एंड
Hmm.
कॉन्स्टेंटली तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ चलता है. सो एट दैट पॉइंट कैच योर सेल्फ, स्टॉप, स्नैप योर सेल्फ की वेट, what is going on in my head, what am I thinking,
Yeah.
is this
Yeah.
good, is this bad? Catch yourself at that very point. This will require a lot of practice, but when you start practicing it, it will become easier to catch yourself, having that talk. That is the second thing, catch yourself. The third step would be ask the question why. Now
Hmm.
supposing you're in your head, you're telling, yaar, I look so ugly today, like
Hmm.
why, who told you that? I especially want to tell this to everyone. Whenever you think, Arey, I look so ugly, or Arey, yaar, I don't have any talents, Arey, yaar, I don't have this, Arey, I don't have that. Who told you so? Did anyone
Nobody.
come and tell you,
You
hey,
only
listen,
told it to yourself.
exactly, hey, listen, you look ugly. hey, listen, you don't have any talents. Did anyone tell you that? And if they
No.
have told you, why did they tell them? Why did you like take it on yourself? Maybe they were
Hmm.
just joking. They were just reflecting their own stuff. Don't take things too personally.
Hmm.
That is what I would recommend everyone, because when we start taking things personally, वो सामने वाला तो बोल के चला जाएगा, अपन यहाँ पे बैठ जाएंगे रोते. So
Or
stop
then
taking
then
things.
we'll realize very late कि oh, so I was just cribbing for this small tiny thing which doesn't even matter to
Makes
me.
sense, exactly. And actually, we are not to be blamed, because we have, all of us have a system that goes in within us. There's a defense mechanism. Our brain is always running towards pleasure and away from pain. That is a theory that we follow. So whenever something painful happens, even if it's minute, we'll start developing a defense mechanism towards it. So so the third step is, you need to ask yourself why. Why am I thinking so? Who told me so? And if you think that this is a repeated pattern, where is it coming from? Is it coming from something in my childhood? Is it coming from something that I've been following of my parent? Like, we
Exactly,
often
yeah.
feel कि हमारे parents की जैसे life थी ना, वैसे ही
वैसे
हमारी
ही
life
हमारी
होगी.
हो रही है. In fact, I think childhood also play a major role in this.
A major
A
role. I think
major
childhood
role,
plays
yeah.
the
Crucial
your
part of,
entire
yeah, your
life
entire life.
is
मतलब आप
based.
if you're hating somebody, yeah, if you're not liking something, that means you have a deep down connection with that thing कि you are, why is it so, so I think कि हम जब सबको वो रीजन ढूंढना चाहिए कि हम ऐसा क्यों सोच रहे हैं हमेशा,
बिकॉज
सब
सबके
हुआ
पास
क्या था.
रीजन होगा.
सबके पास होता है.
हाँ.
इनफैक्ट यू नो चाइल्डहुड में बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जब हम बचपन में हमारे वो एक डर भी बैठ जाता है ना कि वो बाहर भी नहीं निकलता, तो सो ऐसी ही चीजें हमें ढूंढनी चाहिए आई थिंक.
I agree. This is a small thing. Okay, so I have a friend who's a psychologist,
Okay.
and she was telling me that, imagine, example, there's a baby,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and the mother is feeding the baby,
Hmm.
okay, and the mother gets a call and she stops the feeding and she goes and attends the call.
Hmm.
Now the baby does not know कि क्या हुआ, क्यों
Hmm.
गई. Maybe it
Hmm.
was something important, but the baby will only understand she left me.
Yeah,
And so
she left
that
me during the
thing,
yeah important काम के बीच में छोड़ के चली गई.
the baby will only understand that, and now that thought process will be carried out entire life
कि
with having abandonment issues,
yeah,
thinking
yeah,
that अरे
yeah.
यार अब लोग तो मुझे छोड़ के चले जाएंगे,
छोड़ के
अरे यार
चले
ऐसे मत
जाएंगे,
बुलाया
या
मेरी बात.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली. अब उसका रीजन
So
तो कुछ और है, राइट, या.
so there are various things that we take up in our heads in various situations, and I
Hmm.
think whenever we think negatively about ourselves in any manner, we need to question why. And if you are not able to find the answer of why, it's okay. It will come to you sometime or other time. Don't start overthinking on that. Do the next step, which is step 4, change it to a positive statement.
Hmm.
So, um, okay, I can do this. Okay, it will take some time, but I can do this. Now again, इसमें you cannot go to कि अरे नहीं मतलब हो ही जाएगा, करना ही है. Don't go that way. Acknowledge the situation कि okay, wait, this is not right, and I will work towards it for the better. ऐसा नहीं कि अरे यार नहीं, अब तो मतलब आसमान जमीन नीचे करके करना है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You cannot get into this hardcore कि do or die वाला situation,
You
because
know,
then तुम denial
yeah.
में चले जाते हो कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ वड़बड़ नहीं है, like there is nothing wrong, I'll do it. No, don't do that. First step is accept the situation. अच्छा ऐसा है. I need
And
to, once you
analyze
accept,
it, yeah.
hmm, once you accept it, okay, wait, this is the thing that I'm talking in my head. Why? Okay, I don't know the reason why. Fine, I'll change it to a positive statement. And you start giving yourself positive self talks. You start writing down positive things for yourself. Daily practice gratitude. Write down 3 things that make you happy, or one thing that make you happy. And this is how you develop a positive self talk slowly, slowly. And it might take some time, but once you start doing it ना,
Hmm.
अपने आप तुम्हारा अंदर का entire system will change,
Hmm.
and you will develop a positive self-talk, which is like अपने आप, you will start telling positive stuff to yourself.
Uh,
I'm
yeah.
personally telling you, I do have negative thoughts many times, but
But I
now I
think these are
practice.
just emotions.
Yeah, and yeah, it's okay if you have
ओके,
negative thoughts.
इट्स
Yeah,
ये ना,
it's
हम हर
okay.
वक्त तो पॉजिटिव नहीं रह सकते, बट
Exactly.
नॉर्मलाइज दैट सिचुएशन, नॉर्मलाइज दैट इमोशन एंड फील इट.
Huh. Exactly.
या,
We try to avoid emotions, and I think
a
that's the
lot.
worst thing
Oh,
that
a
we can
lot,
do
a
to
lot, a
ourselves.
lot.
तुम negative, don't run from the negative things, but you accept them and you try to change them according to the way you want to. At least try.
Hmm. I think
Positive self-talk
yeah.
is just pushing yourself and giving yourself the pep talk
Hmm.
and not putting yourself, like अगर तुम पूरा time negativity से भरे होगे ना तो even the small things you won't be able to see. So I think that's the way we need to draw the line. There is going to be negative things in your life. There are going to be negative
Endless.
thoughts in life, and that's okay. You are human. But know where to draw the line. When is it getting from negative to overthinking?
Hmm.
That way. I mean,
I
that's
think,
about it.
yeah, but meditation also plays a major role because in today's generation, like, we are the kids of 90s, so we know how
Hmm.
much, जैसे अपन बाहर निकल के खेलते थे, how much precious it was. We were not into a tab, into a phone, into laptops. We were only and only enjoyed the moment.
Hmm.
We lived the moment, so we know the value of it. जो इस टाइप की जनरेशन हो रही है और जो अपकमिंग जनरेशन है, सो आई थिंक uh, बहुत मेंटली बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव पीस. टाइम तो
Agreed.
है ही नहीं है, पीस जिंदगी में है ही नहीं. सो जब आपके पास वक्त ही नहीं है, यू आर सराउंडेड विद सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आई थिंक मेडिटेशन प्लेज अ मेजर रोल इनटू दिस. एंड I also did meditation, yoga. I was extremely in a bad condition. Like you can call it as a depression, sort of depression.
Hmm.
I have I went through this, so I know how it, and how do you deal to overcome it. और आजकल के इतने प्रेशर के कारण आधी से ज्यादा सिचुएशंस जो खराब हैं
Hmm.
वो इसी कारण है. सो आई थिंक मेडिटेशन आल्सो प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. मतलब 10 मिनट कर लो, बट प्लीज गिव peace to your mind. It also needs break.
I agree. Meditation is really important. One, it helps you sit and not indulge in thoughts, but see them,
Yeah,
observe
yeah,
them as a third person. That is
yeah.
one thing. Second thing, it connects you with yourself. And
That is the
every
most
person
beautiful thing.
needs that connection to themselves. So, there's this point in meditation when you actually get involved in the meditation, and there's this small, tiny moment
Hmm.
where you feel that thing. That's a whole another trip. That small moment is whole another level of joy, of self-love, of like कुछ matter नहीं करता. It's just this current moment, and the moment is very minor, but you will feel that impact in that moment. And that moment is not really easy to achieve because तुम first of all, if you're not used to doing it, तो तुम्हें time लगेगा, to uh,
Adapt the changes and
uh,
to follow it.
to first get into yourselves and differentiate, like not get involved in the surrounding but into
Hmm.
yourself.
Hmm.
So I think that meditation is really important because जो
Very.
peace चाहिए वो, अगर तुमसे meditation नहीं हो रहा तो दिन में 10 मिनट निकाल लो अपने लिए, बाकी
I
सब
think
दुनिया जाए
morning
वहां.
walk also help. Writing down things also help. Talking to somebody
Anything.
who is positive, that
Hmm.
also help. मतलब uh, we just keep things to ourselves कि ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था, ओके जस्ट आप इसको दबा लो दबा लो दबा लो, पेन से भाग जाओ भाग जाओ भाग जाओ. अच्छा जब वो आएगा तो उसको फेस करेंगे तो वो ट्रॉमेटाइज बन जाता है. सो दिस
हाँ.
इज द होल साइकिल विच इज कंप्लीटली गोइंग ऑन अगेन एंड अगेन अगेन एंड अगेन कि अच्छा अब ये वाली प्रॉब्लम है, इसको छोड़ो अभी दूसरी देखते हैं. तो वो फिर जब इतनी सारी आ जाती है, देन वी आर जस्ट आउट ऑफ आवर माइंड. हमारा पीस डिस्टर्ब हुआ होता है, हम डिस्ट्रॉइड हुए होते हैं. दैट इज द मोस्ट ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग थिंग which anyone can feel it or deal with it.
Agree. So I feel meditation एक वे में ये हो सकता है कि whatever you love doing
Hmm.
and whatever makes you feel in the moment, that is also meditation. Maybe you like going to the gym, maybe or working out, maybe you like cooking, maybe you like music,
Hmm.
maybe you like writing. So
Hmm.
that is also a kind of meditation.
Yeah, yeah.
And the second is the actual proper practice of meditation, which I also feel is really important.
Hmm.
Again, because I personally have experienced कि whenever I'm thinking of a solution or either even a content piece or an idea, and when I'm just sitting in the morning and meditating, I get all my answers in that.
I think this is the exact thing which happened to me. Like मुझे से बैठे बैठे कंटेंट नहीं आता. When I'm in the washroom, मैं तो बहुत खाली होती हूँ. And when I so I have this ritual कि जब मैं उठती हूँ so मतलब फैमिली बनिया है, so we are very much into religious और ऐसे सब एकदम बहुत है.
Same, same.
तो
बहुत ज्यादा.
सुबह सुबह कृष्ण जी के भजन चलते हैं. जब मैं उसको सुनती हूँ सो आई गेट, oh my god, the peace, the amount of energy, the amount of positivity,
भजन से और
content.
रिलीजन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ना देखे और अगर स्पिरिचुअलिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखे, दे इवन देन दे कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव वाइब्स.
बहुत बहुत मतलब वो जो
Because
ट्यून होती है, just the way they say things, it's heart touching, it's very deep down heart touching.
it is. And the thing is क्या होता है कि मेडिटेशन में ना तुम अपने like you put aside you let your subconscious mind work. Not even subconscious, there's this higher self within us which is on work when we are meditating, and that higher self knows everything. So it will automatically start giving you answers and make you see things. And I think meditation is like, there are days when I skip meditation and I feel awful, and like just today I did meditation like after I think 3-4 days, and I had that small moment today morning after like so many days. Last 3-4 days के पहले भी जब किया था वो मुझे वो particular moment आया नहीं था, and it came today, and trust me, like it's just a whole another feeling which cannot be explained. It's the most beautiful feeling, truly.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so the next question is growth in your own self, and what do you think, self-talk is going to be important in 2022, or what is the future of it in every individual life?
I think अभी लोग are getting more and more aware, and
Yeah,
these
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of मतलब अभी अचानक से everyone's getting very वो बोलते हैं ना collective consciousness.
पैंडेमिक आई थिंक पैंडेमिक सुशांत सिंह की जो डेथ हुई थी, फिर वो मेंटल हेल्थ पे बहुत बातें हुई हैं. आज से पहले इतनी डेथ्स के
I
पीछे
don't think that was in play because वो तो
आई
mental health
थिंक
की बात side पे रह गई, वो drugs वग्स आ गए. But overall, if I'm
हाँ
seeing the scenario, like even on Instagram, there are so many pages that talk about mental health, and people are actually ready to listen to it and follow such pages. And I think people are getting more and more aware, and I
yeah
think our generation is going to be like the most aware generation,
yeah
because the
yeah
previous generation say they were like our parents generation and all, they were about following, they were about okay ये चीज है उसको ऐसे ही follow करना होता है. Very few of
yeah
them are
yeah
aware of
yeah
their own selves, and ours is an aware generation. So I think self talk is going to become a thing. It is already a thing, I feel,
it
with
is
affirmations
a
coming in
thing.
play.
Yeah जो आजकल so there are the spiritual teachings, so there are the pranic
Yeah.
healers, so there are the twin heart meditation, the evolving life. So आजकल our generation people are also getting involved into it because the hustle is so much, the struggle is so much, so we just need
Talks होता है ऐसी चीजों पे.
हाँ, so we just need something to give us peace also कि हाँ भाई शांति मिल रही है. Yeah.
Guys, we'll keep running.
Yeah, exactly. मतलब मेरा हाल ऐसा ही था कुछ टाइम पहले. Okay, so
You know that YJ's dialogue?
no.
नैना मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, उड़ना चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. I think that was very wrong. He needed to stop.
हाँ मतलब
There's need to stop.
रुकना जरूरी है to realize where you are, to analyze where you
ठहराव
want
is
to.
important.
हाँ मतलब ठहराव रुकना, that is I think similar. मेरे अकॉर्डिंग मेरे को वही समझ आया.
हाँ वही.
हाँ
नहीं नहीं मैं बस कहीं डायलॉग है ठहराव कुछ ऐसा, तो I was like
हाँ so मतलब I think it's very important. The pandemic has taught us this thing कि हमेशा भागते रहना ही जिंदगी नहीं है. Yeah.
okay, this one thing. So during pandemic I had वो नया वाला महाभारत आ रहा था
या
on TV,
आ रहा था, आ
the
रहा
new
था.
महाभारत.
या
तो उसमें there was a dialogue by Krishna कि जब अधर्म बहुत बढ़ जाता है तो धर्म की पुनः स्थापना के लिए संपूर्ण विध्वंस आवश्यक है. If there is a lot of
हाँ
adharma, to
हाँ
re-establish dharma, the complete destruction is important.
या
And that line stayed with me. So I think that what happened in pandemic, we needed to stop because we were all running
या
like endlessly without seeing anything, just running away from things. More than running, it was running away from things. I think pandemic taught us to stop, to see where you are, what you are doing, who are the important people around you, what do you actually want in life. I think that's what it was here to teach us.
Moksha, so you have said that one of the best thing I've ever heard. मतलब इतने time बाद I'm
Thank you.
hearing this thing from a person to whom I've never met. But ऐसा लग रहा है कि this is so much connected. बहुत मैंने
I hope
कृष्ण
one day
जी
we
की
meet someday.
Yeah, so I keep on listening to the कृष्ण की जो लीला है, जो वाणी है, so जो भी चीजें वो बोलते रहते हैं ना, तो वो
Oh.
ऐसा लगता है मुझे, वो शिट ये मैंने कल फेस किया था, वो शिट ये मैंने परसों फेस किया था, and I'm like कि dude, this is so accurate. तो गीता में जो लिखा है कि कोई भी अगर
हाँ.
आपकी कोई भी मिस्टेक होती है या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उसके साथ उसका सोल्यूशन भी होता है. सो पैंडेमिक taught us so lot of things कि हाँ ठीक है रुक जाओ, सोल्यूशन तुम्हारे पास है, आ गई ना वैक्सीन, we just waited for 1 year, that's it. और कैसे निकल गया पता ही नहीं
Yeah.
लगा यार.
Exactly. Just like हो गया. अच्छा 2021 आ गया. अच्छा
हाँ.
फेब आने वाला है. Oh.
Okay, so this is the rapid fire round. You need to answer in one word
Okay.
or in one sentence. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready,
Ready?
go. What will I get? Hamper. Coffee hamper, please.
Sure. I'll beat it and then I'll send it to you. Okay, one thing you are carrying from your childhood.
One thing I'm carrying from my childhood. My dimples.
Ah, that's so cute. Okay, what was your most significant experience of 2020?
Most significant experience of 2020.
There were more.
Okay. I have a lot of them. Um, Most
Most
significant
significant.
experience. Okay,
अच्छा
there's
चलो दो
one
चार
thing
बता
that
दो यार.
I'll give one. I think the moment I took the courage to start out of the pop, that was one significant one. Yeah,
Okay.
and I had a live session on my page and not on Out of the Pop, on my personal page, and that went very well. So I think that was also amazing.
One thing which you can't live without.
Coffee, I cannot live without coffee, or not even a day. Either coffee or chai need caffeine.
Yeah, I
Mostly
think
coffee.
it's
Yeah.
same with me also. Okay. So ideal ratio of money and relation should be in every person life. What is the ideal ratio of money
50-50.
and relation?
50-50.
Yeah.
Money is equally important because it
Yeah.
gives you a
अगर
feeling of empowerment, and only with money you can help others. So 50-50.
and I think you should be very practical. मतलब इतना भी नहीं relations के पीछे भागनी चाहिए कि मतलब at the end you need money to survive.
Agreed. You
Hmm.
need people, you need money. 50.
Yeah. One person you idolize in your life.
Myself.
That is
I think
wonderful. I've never heard this answer,
I,
yaar.
I have never I have never idealized, okay, I want to be like this person, or I want to be like this. I'm just always questioning. I have my own assumptions about my own self. Okay, I want to be like this. Like, I have a character sketch, but I'm not a specific person. So, like, there is a changes, of course, everyone changes, and every change, I'm like, oh wow, once upon a time, I'd idealized to be like this, and I'm already like that. So, I think one person has always been me, my
Uh,
future
I,
self.
I just like this statement and I like your confidence. You know, you're believing in yourself so much. This is amazing. मतलब मैं तो अभी तक भी ऐसी होती हूँ
I'm
कि
self.
हाँ, that is a very good part. But you know, when there are very low days in my life, and I'm questioning to myself, okay, am I doing right? Am I running right minutes of positivity? Like, I just question to myself, and then after 2 hours, I'm like, oh, dude, I have so much of content. I need to put it out. और suddenly मेरे में energy आ जाती है.
Eureka moment.
Yeah. अच्छा, rate yourself in different domain out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah. So, marketing.
Marketing.
Hmm.
9.5. I think I can sell anything. I have a good this thing marketing. I have good marketing skills, I feel. Yeah.
Okay. Confidence. I think 10.
Say
10.
10.
10. Discipline.
Discipline. 4. I am very undisciplined. I cannot follow a routine, a structure, and that's very wrong because some things you need to follow as a daily basis. Discipline. I'm very messy.
Punctuality. Punctuality.
10. I'm more than punctual.
Yeah,
Like if you tell me 7 o'clock, I will be there at 6:55. I hate waiting. I hate being late.
Oh, so this is the common trait between us. Uh,
Oh,
okay, so Moksha, it was just fantastic talking to you. I really can't portray into words how much this conversation, you know, affect me in a personal level. Or जहाँ पे I was also lacking behind ना, so I got I answer of it. So this is my one of the favorite podcasts. So I'm going to listen whenever I'm going to feel low. Yeah.
damn, this is like a huge compliment
No,
for me.
literally, you know,
Oh,
I've never
man.
seen somebody who is so confident. You know, I adore Priyanka Chopra so much in my life. Like, she is the idealized woman in my life. And I think you are the second person to whom I've met जो इतनी confident है. And I'm like, wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You really like. Now I'm going to listen to this whenever I feel the last part. Thank you so much. It
This
was
was
really
really
amazing to talk to you, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I'm glad that, if it helps you or it helps anyone else in any way, I'll be more than happy because we are all here for a change.
yeah, so it is going to change many people's life, including me also. Whenever I'm feeling low, I'm going to listen 1,000 times. Okay, listen to Moksha's podcast. It was overall a nice conversation. Even I felt कि, you know, I'm talking to my own self. You know, एकदम जो मेरे thoughts हैं, I just don't
हाँ.
portray it. And you just the way you
I was the
articulate
mirror
them.
of your thoughts, just
I
like a phone.
so just the way you articulate it and just the way you you know put it out, it was just wonderful. So thank you so much for being a part of the show. It was really fun talking to you, very informative,
Yes,
very
thank,
creative, and a
thank
lot
you.
of learnings.
Uh, Thank you, thank you. I'm still learning, and I hope if it helps in any way, I'll be more than happy.
It is going to happen, and I'll be posting out Moksha's email ID, Moksha's Out of the Pop page. You guys should follow it because she's doing
Please
wonderful
do
job.
follow me. Not for
Lots,
numbers, but for your own self. Follow.
lots and lots of hard work, creativity, and a positive thing, which is always we are always searching for. Simple Kushi. Simple
Simply
Kushi.
Khushi.
Achha, Simply
Yeah, this
Kushi. Yeah,
is
so
very
it's really nice. Simply Kushi. So do follow her. I'll be posting Moksha's all the Insta handles or all the social media handles coordinates. You can directly reach
nice.
out to her. You can reach out to me. All of your questions, suggestions, feedbacks, everything is just welcome. We will be
If
happy to
anyone
serve
wants
you
to
all.
actually talk about something, they can. Okay, I'll.
Yeah. So they can reach out to Out of the Pop Moksha directly,
Yeah.
or they can reach out to me. So I'll,
Hmm.
forward you the people. Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.